There have been many experiments over the years involving brain implants, often to help people who suffer from seizures. The results have been mixed at best. Here's the problem: when something is implanted in your brain, it often has two consequences. First, it alters the way you make decisions simply by being there physically in your head. Second, it alters your personality. Both of these happen for reasons we don't yet understand. Worse still, they often happen without the person who has the implant realizing that they've changed or that the implant is the reason for the change. From 2010 to 2013, Seattle company Neurovista conducted experiments on 15 people suffering from severe seizures. Their brain implants essentially were meant to warn them that a seizure was coming so that they could find a safe place to be when it arrived. However, what the scientists found was that the personalities of the test subjects changed, some completely so. Some of them experimented extreme confidence, trying to pick up objects that were so heavy that they injured themselves. Others were so full on all the time that it frightened their families, who hoped for a return to the old personalities. Funding for the experiment eventually ended, and the devices were removed. In 2021, the American Institute of Physics offered a similar observation that brain implants might interact with people in such a way that they will no longer be themselves and no longer autonomous in making decisions. Just as frightening, the AIP suggests that the people under the spell of this technology will not even realize it's happening. People being affected by the implants won't know it, and conversely, people making their own decisions might mistakenly blame their implants. In that same Science Journal article, the AIP offered two other warnings: that these implants will be extremely addictive, and that corporations are likely to monitor our thoughts. Two topics, incidentally, I've discussed in other videos. Scary stuff. I'm Scott Snair. Thanks for listening.